What's up, bradas? My name is Graphings, and today we're going to do a doodle art. For this year's Inktober, I decided to go with a doodle theme. That means for the whole month October, I'll be doing daily doodles. One doodle every day. And for the last day, day 31, I decided to put all these doodles into one big doodle. It'll be an awesome doodle. Just keep watching the video, bradas. I promise, it'll be epic. Alright, let's do this. Okay, a quick pause because, we're halfway through, guys. Look at him. Look at this slime ball. So, guys, I quickly want to say that's a bit difficult for me to draw because I sprained my thumb playing volleyball these past couple of days. And, every time when I do a certain stroke, I feel the pain in my thumb. But we're getting there, bros. We're gonna finish this. We're gonna finish this. Yo, brothers, I finally finished the drawings. And, can you believe at some point I thought I wouldn't even come up with any new ideas? Yay, but we've done it! From day 1 all the way to 30. And guess what? I made a final one, a pineapple. For day 31, I promised you guys I would make a separate drawing with all of these individual characters in that drawing. So let's make it happen, brothers! I got this huge pimple on the top of my nose. God damn it. So usually I start off with a sketch. But no, we're gonna start off by sketching on the main paper right here. Alright, now let the ultimate cinematics roll, bradas. Mr. Big Fat Red Pimple Nose. Alright, brother, the sketch is done and it looks awesome. Then again, it's way easy to draw an Among Us character. And if you can't even draw an Among Us character, why draw in the first place? Don't call yourself an artist. Just throw a pencil away. Oh Alright, now we need to find a way to put all these 30 characters into this Among Us character right here. Oh my god! Wow! We don't have to worry about this character right here. Because basically this whole character is this character right here. So let's just say we need to fill in 29 of these babies in this sketch. So I haven't planned out any of this, so we're just eyeballing it and trying to use our creativity. Hopefully our creativity will be enough to not make this video suck. Let's go. Alright, so we've magically fit all 30 of those characters in this Among Us character. Now you know what time it is. It's time for those sweet ass lines, bradas. You see this? Some people call it art poop. I call it art drugs. Yo, and by the way, don't forget to hit this button right here. Hit it. Peace. Alright, brothers. Now that we're done with the sexy lines, let's make them even sexier, thicker. So, I've managed to put all these characters in this drawing over here. Doesn't it look pretty? Oh my gosh. I really love it, I really do. And if you guys love it as well, don't forget to punch the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's take this bad boy over to the computer and color this bitch. Alright, so I got the drawing over on my computer. Now it's time to put in the colors. But before we do that, we need to remove the background. So let me go over that really quick. We got, bam, this. I already pre-removed the background. We're gonna put a white background right now. And then we're gonna add the base color. See you at the end of the video, brothers. Cause then it's time for the final reveal. Fast forward this bitch.
Suddenly, pineapples.
Alright, brothers, are you ready for the final reveal? Well, this is the signature that someday will be popular. Bam! So just for fun, I want to see how this drawing would look on a t-shirt. And damn, it looks nice. So yeah, I think I'll make myself one. And if a lot of you are interested as well, I'll make this merch available. I also put the original one to see how it looked. And damn, it looks really nice as well. So colorful. Just follow me on Instagram to be updated. Well, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to punch the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Also check out my Instagram page. I will post the photo there. It's Graphics Art. And yeah, ciao!